My dear buddies, this is a very important announcement. I've been thinking to talk about this for almost a month or more than that, but I'm talking about it today. See, I am here for the motorcycle community. I have many other projects and businesses to do, but with Inline 4 and with YouTube, I am here for the motorcycle community. And anyone who does not live up to the quality standards or ethics of the motorcycle community, I don't work with them, I don't even be friends with them. And today I would like to mention that Zeus Motorcycle Gear and Inline 4 and Vikas, okay? I mean, Inline 4 and Vikas, we are one entity, but Zeus Motorcycle Gear, we have nothing to do with them anymore. Because the thing is that we became friends, we became kind of business associates, thinking that Zeus Motorcycle Gear and Inline 4 and Vikas together can do something good for the motorcycle community. But I realized it that just a businessman cannot be a biker, cannot think like a biker, cannot have the emotion of a biker. Okay, we have seen enough quality issues with Zeus Motorcycle Gear, and the so-called owner of Zeus Motorcycle Gear, Ritesh, is unable to address them. He is not treating our motorcycle riders well, he's not treating the bikers well. And today this is a public official announcement that I don't support Zeus Motorcycle Gear products anymore. And if you bought any of the products because of me, and if you think you did a mistake, and if I'm responsible, I will refund the money from my pocket. All right? So, well, there are much better brands with much better quality, but one thing I've decided, that I'm not partnering with any motorcycle riding gear brands in India anymore. Okay, unless and until they prove that they are real bikers and they are committed to the motorcycle community. So, long story short, there are extreme quality issues with Zeus Motorcycle Gear products. There are reliability issues with regards to technology that I talked about. And, well, it is my mistake. I take the blame. I should have done better testing. All right? But never late. It's better late than never. You know, we found out after a lot of testing and after a lot of complaints from a lot of friends. So, well, if you want to buy Zeus Motorcycle Gear products, buy it. But not because me or any of my friends have recommended or have worn them. So, thank you. Please let me know your comments. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm sorry about what has happened. I'm sorry, you know. But it is a sad situation where the owner doesn't care about the biking community. And it's done. Bye-bye. Thank you.